Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone 12 is current and unlocked. Updates fix NFC stability. First, enable Bluetooth and keep the screen active because iOS sometimes requires an awake device to initiate a read. Next, open the app you plan to use Wallet for cards, Shortcuts for automations, or a third-party reader for tags. This sequence speeds discovery and prevents background sleep from interrupting the handshake. Once your app is ready, you'll be positioned to scan the tag or device immediately. Now perform the actual action. Hold the top half of your iPhone 12 back close to the NFC tag or device. That's where the antenna sits. In your chosen app, select Read, Write, or trigger the shortcut and follow on-screen fields. This is where you define payloads or choose actions. Make sure to grant any permission prompts. Without them, the system blocks access. You'll know it worked when the phone vibrates or plays the NFC chime. If writing, verify the content afterward to confirm success. Finish by moving the tag away and testing the same read or automation to confirm it persists. Repeated success proves a reliable write or trigger. If scans fail, reboot your iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and NFC-related settings, and make sure iOS is up to date because firmware often fixes reader bugs. If problems continue, check the tag type and lock status. Some NFC tags are read-only or use unsupported formats. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting the phone resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.